Okay, so guys, we are gonna starting some read alouds. Since many times I haven't recorded and posted any video on YouTube regarding to considering the topic of read alouds. Okay, so we are starting from APUNI's read aloud number #1332. Sociologists. Sociologists are interested in a wide range of topics, from the micro level interactions between individuals to the macro level structures of society. They seek to identify patterns and trends in social behavior and to develop theories that explain these phenomena. Through their research, sociologists aim to contribute to our understanding of society and to help address social problems. It may not be very well known, but the Arctic Ocean leaks enormous amounts of the potent greenhouse gas methane. These leaks have been ongoing for thousands of years but could be intensified by a future warmer ocean. The potential for this gas to escape the ocean and contribute to the greenhouse gas budget in the atmosphere is an important mystery that scientists are trying to solve. Okay, so the next one is 1332 flu in children. APUNI read aloud number 1334, right? Although it is unclear how often neuropsychiatric events occur in children in the United States as a result of influenza, the use of a commonly prescribed antiviral medication for treating flu in children has become a subject of controversy that has raised concerns among parents and medical professionals alike. Okay, so the next one is stripes and spots. APUNI read aloud number #1335, right? Now we are gonna starting that. According to Benjamin Alizio, an undergraduate researcher in the Department of Chemical and Biological Engineering, many biological inquiries share a common theme of exploring how complex patterns and shapes develop from a spherical cluster of shells. The study employs a basic physical and chemical mechanism to account for complex biological phenomena. Okay, so the next one is liquid metals. Read aloud number #1336, right? Liquid metals hold the potential to revolutionize the chemical industry and address its environmental impact. By testing a new technique, researchers aim to replace the energy-intensive chemical engineering processes that have been in use since the early 20th century. This innovative approach offers a promising solution to greening the industry by reducing its carbon footprint and minimizing resource consumption.